How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you saw the title below, I'm going to teach you guys how to enter and exit a trade, show you some basics. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for me, pound that like button, and let's get into the video. If you guys have any questions, also drop me a comment, or if you guys want me to do a specific topic as well, please drop a comment for me. I'm replying to all the comments. Let's get into the video. First, I'm going to assume that you guys have started a brokerage account. Let's assume you guys have a brokerage account, you deposited some money in there. Now you want to start trading. Now how do we find a good stock with a lot of potential? Or what stocks should we trade? What ETF should we trade? Should we trade gold or silver? Should we trade currencies? Well, it all depends on what you like and what attracts you, but if you're looking for potential stocks that are really cheap, and you're on a budget and you don't have a lot of money, stocks that are cheap that have a lot of potential for growth, I'm going to show you guys how to find these stocks. First, you want to go to finviz.com. This site has a lot of information here. Basically on the top you see your S&P 500, your NASDAQ, the Dow Jones. And on the left here you got your top gainers of the day. And you got some new highs here. These guys broke out, made some new highs. So those might be some potential stocks that you put on your watch list maybe. There's also been some insider buying here. There's some top losers, some new lows, oversold, etc, etc. There's some stocks that have hit support, resistance, etc. Different double top, multiple top, double bottom, stuff like that. It also shows headlines. There's news, shows release times for expected earnings, I believe. Right here, earnings release. So if these are some stocks you might want to watch if you want to play the earnings. It's a bit more advanced stuff. But we're just going to get into the basics. So basically, we want to go to the screener. We're going to look for the next hottest stock. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to price, under $15. Keep in mind we're on a budget. We don't want to spend a lot on stocks. Current volume, which is right here. We want it over 200K. Then we're going to go click on technical. We want 50-day moving average above 50. Then we want the SMA, so the simple moving to 200 SMA above 200. Relative volume right here over 3. And we want the float under 50 mil. So this will give us a good list of stocks right here. There's a lot of ads on here. So this gives us a general list of stocks that have potential. Shows which sector it's in, the industry, which country, the market cap, price per earnings, the price currently, the change, and the volume. So right now this one went up 18%, this one went up 22, this one went up 53. Build a Bear Workshop. That's interesting. Let's check out this stock. We'll go to charts. And it'll show it as a chart. So we got Build a Bear right here. See, it just broke out the support actually. So this might be a potential stock. Let's check it out. So it actually broke out of its That's interesting, because it's actually on an uptrend right now. So let's look at the chart. Let's investigate into the chart. Let's say we want to make a buy. So we're gonna go to. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go in PVW. Build a Bear Workshop, guys. Not what you're thinking. Okay. Man, these ads are insane. Okay. Interactive chart right here. Oh, come on. Oh, okay, wait, we're doing it wrong. Okay, go to tradingview.com, go to BBW, Build a Bear Workshop. This is where I do all my chart work. I'm going to click on full feature chart. There we go. Just going to get rid of this. And this is what it's looking like. So you got a bear chart, the current price right here, 875. I'm going to draw some trend lines, some support and resistance. So basically, it's on an uptrend right now. See how it keeps, it's following this line, bounced off, bounced off, bounced off. And it's going higher and higher. So we can also go like this too. It's creating another trend going that way. Still going in an upward position, right? So let's say we want to enter this trade. Well, how do we do that? Bear support. And this oh my god. This line right here acts as your resistance. We're going to draw another line right here. So as you can see, what is this here? As you can see, it broke out of the support at 875. So if we were to buy into this, I would wait for another green candle for confirmation, and then probably buy at the open tomorrow. I would keep an eye on it on market open tomorrow. We're March 10th today, Mario Day, happy Mario Day. March 11th is when this video will be premiered. If you're watching this, go check out Build the Bear Workshop. All the market probably opened at a higher price. This is a stock that has a lot of potential. March of last year. So as you can see right here, it was in a downtrend. So support and resistance there kind of fell out and went up a little bit and broke down. But also, if you guys want to find the support and resistance a lot easier, what I like to do, we're going to keep this trend line here. Just shows that it's in an uptrend, which is a good thing. That's what we want. Go to this pitchfork right here. We're going to click on, actually we're going to go up here, the FX button. We're going to go to Auto Fib Retracement. This will automatically give us all our support and resistance lines. So right now, as you can see, it broke this line right here, the 740 line. It surged above 850, so this is actually good for us. This makes another green candle. It opens above 850 or 875, sorry. This opens above 875 tomorrow. This stock will have potential to go even higher. I think that's, oh yeah, see, look, I think if you go to its past, go to the past here, it's hit 939, 1180, 1577, 2151. This is 5 years ago. So from 5 years ago until now, it's basically been in a downtrend. But now I think it's looking to burst out of that. It's looking to pop out of there, which is what it did. Broke that trend line, as you can see. I'll remove that. I would wait for another green candlestick as confirmation that it's indeed going up. But it definitely, see right here, 392, it bounced off of there. Hit 786, 49, bounced up, broke every line up. So if we want, let's say we did buy it right here. We bought it at 390. We want to know how much of a gain we would have got. We would be up 120%, guys. So from December 20th until, oh yeah, this would be December of last year till March 21st, 2021. So that's basically the end of December. So like 2.5 months, guys, 120%. That's pretty good gains if you ask me. We will remove this. So that's how basically you want to make sure that something is going in an uptrend. You know, draw your lines, draw your support and resistance lines. It's really not that hard, guys. See, like right here, there's also support right here. I'm gonna get rid of these ones. See, like right here, it went up and it broke down and it squeezed out of that triangle and boom, it shot up. If we were to buy it from right here, 219, or even right here, it bounced off of that line and broke out a little bit, and it kind of just traded within that range, and it went over, back under, and popped out of there. See how there's a trend line right here, then you got the support. It broke out of that trend and it just soared. So let's say we were to buy it from here, from this point right here, 227. It's 276 from September. That's some pretty good gains. Also, what I'd like to do to show that there's confirmation, keep it simple, guys. My favorite indicator is the moving average. Some people like to use the smooth moving average, weighted, or exponential. I like to keep it simple. It's just the moving average. So another technique you could use, go to the settings right here, this little gear icon, that's the settings. Click on, you want it to be 10-day moving average. So see right here where it went below that moving average and then it went back in, and it's kind of just been teeter-tottering, bouncing off of that line. See, like right here, if you were to sell it 445, it traded under that moving average the whole time. And then right here, 134, it went up, then it went back down under. So like you could easily sell it here, then buy it here, sell it here, then buy it down here, and just swing trade or position trade, or like you can even, like, that could be like an easy, yeah, that'd be like a swing trade. It'd be like a couple days, 2 or 3 days. See, like even right here, it broke out of the moving average, and it just kind of rode the line, and then it went up. I learned this strategy from a book called Shark Investing. The guy literally swears by this. You literally just trade using the moving average, and that's it. Of course, you can add more moving averages. Like there's the 50-day moving average, which is also good to use. I'm gonna add 2 more. Oh, it only lets me add. Oh yeah. So we'll just change this to the 50. And then we'll change this one to the 200. We'll change this to gold. So there you go. If you wanted to trade the 200-day moving average, you could definitely do that. Or if you wanted to trade the 50-day moving average, wait till it leaves the 50-day moving average, buy it right here, sell it up here. You're gonna add an 85% gain in a week. Yeah, 10 days. It's pretty good. It's pretty good gain. See how it, if you were to sell it here, and it just kind of trailed the line, then right here it burst out, then it hit the support here. See the support, and it bounced back, went down, and it broke out, and it squeezed between both lines and just broke out. That's pretty much what it did. So you could actually use that as a guide too. If the 200 crosses the 50, buy where it crosses. Buy at 274. It's at 6 or at 875 already. So that'd be like some pretty good gains. Or another strategy you could do is you use the 5-day moving average with the 15-day moving average. So basically, the strategy is whenever the 5 crosses the 15, creates a buy and sell. So that would be a buy right there. The crosses, I'll move that over. We'll zoom in. See how the 5-day crosses the 15. Buy it at 233. You sell it at 319. You buy it here and then you sell it over there. That'd be some quick gains right there. 38% within a month, which isn't bad. Obviously you're gonna need money to make money, but that's what the stock market's all about. That's one strategy you guys could use. Buy it right here. I wouldn't really trade in between these. I would wait for a bigger move. If you were to zoom out, like I would wait for, like I would probably trade this right here, like buy it here, sell it there or something, or I want like a big fluctuation. Like if you were to sell it right here and like buy it when it starts getting green again, or buy it right here, sell it there. Whenever the 5 crosses the 15, there's plenty of strategies you guys could use. Here's another one. Just type in super. It'll literally show you where to buy and sell, guys. Look at that. Literally little stock market cheat codes right here. Literally shows you where to buy. The thing I don't get about this indicator, it literally says to buy. It's like, okay, I can buy here. Ideally you'd want to sell it like at the high right here, right? You don't want to sell it here, then it goes up. That's kind of dumb. It's basically telling you to sell right here, but that would be over here, because this actually opened right here, went up, then closed. But like even if you bought it here, you're still up technically, you know. Like if you were to buy it down here, 301, you'd be up 875 right now. So I mean, it's a good strategy. You just gotta be careful where you're buying it. But you can also use RSI, Relative Strength Index. This is another one of my favorites. Basically, you could, we'll zoom out here. You could basically see right here. Usually you want to buy it when it dips below this line right here, which is the 30 line. It's 30.55. See how it dipped at the 19? If you were to buy it there at $1, sell it at 265. Some pretty good gains. You could buy it right here, buy the dips, sell it up here, and yeah, those are a few strategies you guys could use to trade or look for confirmation of a trade. You can also use, I'm sure you got one last strategy. It's called the MACD. We're gonna get rid of this one. So basically you would buy it like, see how the blue line crosses the orange? It's ideally what you would want to do. Buy it at 398 and you're at 875, right? I'm gonna buy the dips, guys. Just buy the dips. See, buy it here, sell it here, or right here. See how this one dipped down? This one's at $1. Could have sold it at $2. Literally double your money. Those are a few strategies you guys could use to either day trade, position trade, swing trade. Day trading is where your trade by the day. So you buy a stock at 8 o'clock, sell it by noon or something. Position trade is like you'll buy it on a Monday and you'll sell it on a Friday. Or like it could be like, oh, I'll buy it on the first of the month and I'll sell it at the end of the month, or I'll buy it in April and I'll sell it in July, kind of thing, right? Like position trade can be any amount of time. Swing trade is more of a weekly hold, like I'll buy it on a Monday, sell it on a Friday, or sell it next Monday. Swing trade is kind of just like a 2 or 3 days, maybe a week tops. So those are like the different kinds of trades that you guys could do. There's just some strategies you guys could use when looking for your next stock. Use finviz.com to screen for your next favorite stock that you want to trade. You could also check out the top gainers, check out the ones that made new highs. Ones that have made new highs have potential to keep going up. Don't quote me on it. But these two sites are really good to use. Finviz, tradingview.com, really great sites. Highly recommend them. Do all your chart work on there. This is the end of the episode, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like for me. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. And we'll see you in the next video. And also drop a comment if you guys have any questions, or if you want me to cover a certain topic. Appreciate you guys. See you guys in the next video.